Hi students, we are going to see consistency of system of linear equations by rank method. Now two types, non-homogeneous linear equation and homogeneous linear equation. Exercise 1.6 we are going to see non-homogeneous linear equation. First we want to see Cauchy-Cabanis theorem. The system of linear equation written in form Ax equal to b is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix, that is rho of A equal to rho of A by B. That is rho of A, rho of A by B. Listen. Now, this one is one augmented matrix A by B. Using elementary transformation and simplify, we get echelon form. Now, find rank of this equal to rho of A. Find rank of this equal to rho of A. Find rank of this full matrix is called rho of A by B. These two are equal means the system is consistent. The system is consistent. Now three types by Cauchy-Cabanis theorem. Three types. See that one? If there are three unknowns in a system of equation, three unknowns means three equations x, y, z, three unknowns in a system of equation, rho of A equal to rho of A by B equal to 3. Rho of A equal to rho of A by B equal to 3. Then the system is consistent and has unique solution. And rho of A equal to rho of A by B equal to 2 or 1. 2 or 1. The system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Rho of A not equal to rho of A by B, then the system is inconsistent and no solution. See the exercise 1.6. Test for consistency and if possible, solve the following system of equations by rank method. Three equations given. The matrix form of the system Ax equal to b, A equal to the coefficient 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, minus 1, 1. X equal to unknowns x, y, z, b equal to constant 2, 7, 4. Write the augmented matrix A, B. Okay. Now, using elementary transformation, here one is there. We want to make this place equal to 0. That means R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 4R1. That is R2 implies R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus 4R1. Now R2, write R2, R1 multiplied by 2 and subtract, we get 0, 3, 0, 3. Okay. Now R3, write R3, R1 multiplied by 4 and subtract, we get 0, 3, minus 7, 4. Next, we want to make this place equal to 0. Here 3, 3, then R3 implies R3 minus R2. Directly subtract 0, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 7 minus 0, minus 7, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Here minus 7 common, divide. Now 0, 0, 1, 1. See that one, rho of A. Rho of A equal to, here also non-zero element, here also non-zero element, here also non-zero element is there, then rho of A equal to 3. And rho of A by B means, see the row fully, non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. Therefore, here also 3. Rho of A equal to rho of A by B equal to 3. The system is consistent and has unique solution. Now, write the equation x minus y plus 2z equal to 2. Next 3y equal to 3. No z value. Here z equal to 1. Z equal to 1. 3y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 by 3 cancel. Y equal to 1. Z equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Substitute in this equation. X minus 1 plus 2 equal to 2. So, subtract 1. Go to that side minus 1. X equal to 1. The solution is x equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Z equal to 1. See the second sum. Similarly, three equations given. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. Write A coefficients x, x, y, z, b 2, 1, 5. Write the augmented matrix A, B. Now see that one is there, then R1, R2 interchange, R1, R2 interchange, right? See that one, here we want to find make 0. That means R2 implies R2 minus 3R1 and R3 implies R3 minus 7R1. R2 minus 3R1, right? R2, R1 multiplied by 3 and subtract, we get the value equal to, okay. Next R3 minus 7R1, R3, R1 multiplied by 7 and subtract, we get 20 minus 10 minus 2. Next, we want to make this place equal to 0, then multiplied by 2, 20. That is R3 implies R3 minus 2 R2. Here multiplied by 2 means 20 and subtract. R1 no change, R2 no change and subtract directly. 20 minus 20 0, minus 10 plus 10 0. Here minus 2 plus 2 0. Now last row 0. That is row of A. One non-zero, second non-zero. Here 0. Then 2 non-zero rows, then 2. Row of A by B equal to fully 2 non-zero rows, then equal to 2. Row of A equal to row of A by B equal to 2 less than 3. Less than 3 means the system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Write the equation x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 1. Next 10y minus 5z equal to minus 1. Two equations only we get. We get only two equations. Now I will take z equal to some constant t. Z equal to some constant t or s or k, anyone, okay. Z equal to I will take t. Now z equal to t substitute in this equation. 10y minus 5t equal to minus 1. 10y equal to 5t go to that side plus 5t minus 1. Y equal to divided by 10. 5t minus 1 divided by 10. Now z equal to t, y equal to value substitute in first equation. X minus 3 into y value plus 2 into z value t equal to 1. Now multiplied by 3. 15t by 10 multiplied by 3 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 by 10. Now plus 2t go to that side minus 2t. Here x equal to minus go to that side plus go to that side minus. Taking LCM totally 10. Here multiplied by 10 minus 3 number value. Next multiplied by 10 minus 20t plus 15t. Simplify 7 minus 5t. The solution is x equal to y equal to z equal to value. We get the answer. See the third sum. 3 equations given. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to b. A equal to, write the coefficients 2 2 1, 1 minus 1 1, 3 1 2. X equal to unknowns x y z, b equal to the constant 5 1 4. Write the augmented matrix A by B. A, B. Now one is there, R2 interchange to R1. Write that one. Okay. Here R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Okay. Now R2, right? R1 multiplied by 2 and subtract, get the answer. Next R3, right? R1 multiplied by 3 and subtract, we get the answer. Okay, now we want to make 0 in this place. Here R3 minus R2. Subtract, get the answer. See that one. Row of A. Row of A equal to 2 non-zero rows. Row of A equal to 2. Row of A by B equal to 3 non-zero rows. Here also number is there. Row of A by B equal to 3 non-zero rows. Row of A by B equal to 3. But rho of A not equal to rho of A by B. But the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay. Next, fourth sum. Similarly, 3 equations. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B, A, X, B. Augmented matrix, A matrix, B matrix. Now, here no one is there, then simplify. Here multiplied by 3 means we get 6. R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. Here multiplied by 2 means we get 4. Then R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. R1, right? Now directly you can simplify. Multiplied by 3 means subtract 0 and minus 3 plus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Similarly, multiplied by 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. See that one? Row of A, rank of row of A equal to the value 1. 1 non-zero row. Row of A by B, 1 non-zero row again. There is a value 1, 1. Row of A equal to row of A by B equal to 1 less than 3. But the system is consistent and infinitely many solution. Row of A equal to row of A by B equal 2 or 1. That means less than 3 means the system is consistent and infinitely many solution. Now write in the equation 2x minus y plus 2x minus y plus z equal to 2. Here only one equation is there. Taking z equal to t1, y equal to t2, or z equal to s, y equal to t. Anyone? Okay, you have to take 2x y equal to minus t2, z1 t1 equal to 2. 2x equal to, go to that side, minus t1 plus t2 divided by 2, we get x value. The solution is x equal to 2 minus t1 minus plus t2 divided by 2, y equal to t2, z equal to t1. t1, t2 belongs to R. That means, now R means real numbers. t1, t2, any value of real numbers, we get many more solutions in x, y, z. That only infinitely many solutions. Okay. Next, second sum. Find the value of k for which the equation kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2ky plus z equal to minus 2, x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1 have no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. This is only a condition sum. Okay. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B. Similarly, A equal to x coefficient k minus 2, 1. Here 1 minus 2k plus 1. Here 1 minus 2k. X unknowns x, y, z. B equal to 1 minus 2, 1. Augmented matrix, right? Listen, it's very important. R1, R3 interchange. Then only we can easily find the sums. Okay. R1, R3 interchange. C1, R3, R1 interchange. Now we want to make these two places are 0. That means R2 minus R1. R2 implies R2 minus R1. Here R3 implies R3 minus KR1. R3 minus KR1. R2 minus R1. Subtract 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2k plus 2. 1 minus k. So one is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Next R3 implies R3 minus KR1. So one multiplied by k. That means k minus k, 0. Minus 2 plus 2k. Here 1 minus multiplied by k means k squared. 1 minus k squared, that is 1 minus k. Suppose you can't understand means write separately and then simplify. Okay. And next we want to make this place equal to 0. See that one? Minus 2 plus 2. Here 2k minus 2k. Now add this 2 value, we get 0. That is R3 implies R3 plus R2. Add this value 0. Here add this value 1 plus 1 2 minus k square. This one is 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus k. Okay. Now 2 minus k square, that is a quadratic equation, we can factorize. See that one, factorization. 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, here minus 1. Now find two numbers, multiply these two numbers, we want to get minus 2, and add or subtract this number, we want to get minus 1. Simplify. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, subtract minus 1, that is 1 minus 2 are the two numbers. See that one, 2. Now minus 2k plus k minus k square. In this 2 common, 1 minus k common, 1 minus k. This one is 2 plus k, 1 minus k. See that one, it's only this place can be written as 1 minus k, 2 plus k. Other numbers are no change. Okay. Now the first condition is no solution. No solutions means, what is the meaning? Row of A equal to 2, row of A by B equal to 3. Here we want 0, here we want number that is not equal to 0. Here want to 0 means row of A equal to 2. This one here not equal to 0 means row of A by B equal to 3. Okay, here equal to 0 means value equal to 2. Now I will take 1 minus k equal to 0 means 1 minus k equal to 0, this value fully 0. 2 plus k not equal to 0 means row of A by B equal to 3. See that one, 1 minus k equal to 0, 2 plus k not equal to 0. So 1 minus row of A equal to 2, row of A by B equal to 3. But this one is not equal. The system is inconsistent and has no solution. Next condition, unique solution. Unique solution means here also we want to row of A equal to 3 we want, that means here not equal to 0. Row of A by B also we want row 3, then here also not equal to 0. That means 1 minus k not equal to 0, 2 plus k also not equal to 0. That is 1 minus k not equal to 0, 2 plus k also not equal to 0. But row of A equal to 3, row of A by B equal to 3. 3 means the system is consistent and unique solution. Next, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means row of A equal to I want 2 and row of A by B also want 2. Here also 0, here also 0. That is 1 minus k equal to 0, 2 plus k equal to 0, row of A equal to 2, row of A by B equal to 2. Row of A, row of A, B less than 3. 2 means less than 3. The system is consistent and infinitely many solutions. So very important sum. And third one, investigate the value of lambda and mu. The system of linear equations, 3 equations given and some constant lambda and mu given, have no solution, unique solution, infinite number of solution. This is also condition sum. The matrix form of the system is Ax equal to B, A, X, B, you know. Okay. Now augmented matrix, A matrix, B matrix. See that one. Here one is there, then directly simplify. Here multiplied by 2, here multiplied by 7. That is 2R2, here 7R1. 2R2, 7R1. That is R2 multiplied by 2. R2 multiplied by 2, and that's right. Next, R1 multiplied by 7. Subtract, we get answer is 0, minus 15, minus 45, minus 47. Here directly subtract. Okay, R3 minus R1, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So lambda minus 5, mu minus 7, mu minus 9. No solution. No solution means, already I told, no solution means here row of A equal to 2. I want root 2 means this value, this place equal to 0. And row of A by B equal to 3. 3 means this one is not equal to 0. But equal to 0, lambda minus 5 equal to 0, mu minus 9 not equal to 0. Rho of A equal to 2, rho of A by B equal to 3. Not equal, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Next one is a unique solution. Unique solution means rho of A equal to, we want 3, rho of A by B also we want 3. But this one is not equal to 0, this one is not equal to 0. For lambda minus 5 not equal to 0, mu minus 9 not equal to 0. For rho of A equal to 3, rho of A by B equal to 3. Equal to 3 means the system is consistent and has unique solution. And an infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution means we want rho of A equal to 2, rho of A by B also 2. That means here also 0, here also 0. Upper lambda minus 5 equal to 0, mu minus 9 equal to 0. Rho of A equal to 2, rho of A by B equal to 2. Equal to 2 means less than 3. The system is consistent and has infinite number of solution. Let us keep in your mind as a formula type. That means no solution means equal to 0, not equal to 0. No solution means equal to 0, not equal to 0. Unique solution means not equal to 0, not equal to 0. And infinite number of solution means equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, when we can easily understand. Thank you, students.